we're gonna look at Monty yet again. We're gonna give him it's treats, but we have to give him them daily because, you know, it makes their coat better. Here's what he gets every day. It looks like a lot, but it's actually just 3 walnuts cracked open. Let's go give them to him, see what he's gonna say today. Let's open his cage. Okay, we're gonna try and take him out. Go, little boy. Let's go. Up, up. Oh, good boy. You want poo before you came out. Alright. So, where should we put him? Let's put him on top of this chair. There you go. He likes the chair. Okay, we're gonna give him his first nut. Gonna see what he says first. What? Pardon me? No, come on. Oh, you can talk louder than that. What? Can you say? No, we already know you've mastered hello. We want to hear you say something else. Come here. Look over here. Pardon? Pardon? Come on, say hello. Come on, I know you say it louder than that. Pardon? Hello? No. Come on, you gotta say it better. I'll offer you a different one. Hello? You say mama? How about you give me a handshake? Give me a handshake. Oh no. Come on. Okay, what? What? Good boy. He has a tea stand, but he has destroyed it because it's made out of wood, but I guess that's what it's for. We're going to leave him to eat his nice food, his treats, and we're going to go over here. Here's where all his toys are. He's got one gigantic toy. Right here is a perch, and wood comes all the way up here and up here. And there's actually 2 toys. You can't really see very good because of the lighting. But these are his toys that he had when he was just a baby. So we like to keep them because they're familiar and he likes them. Has a soother on the end. They all have proper collapses. There is paper on the bottom of his cage. It's usually not there, but I put it there because he has been extra messy and I needed to look at his fecal, basically poo. And there's one here because he will spray his food everywhere. Let's go back to Monty, see how he's doing. Hey buddy, you finished eating yet? Look, got this place covered in it. Can I give you a pet? Can I give you a pet? Ooh, lost your balance there. Give me that. Give me that. Ooh, give me that. he doesn't like giving me his treats back. But he will happily take another one. Beautiful. He's actually very long. He looks very small, but he is extremely long. His tail feathers are about half of what they will be when he's an adult. I have no idea what that thing in front of the camera is right now. But okay. I'll give you another one. I'll give you a better one. Come on. Come on, Monty. What'd you say? What'd you say? You just gonna say hello again, or are you gonna say anything? He has just started speaking different words, but right now he's at the stage where he says it randomly, not when you want him to say it, so it's a pain in the butt. What do you say? Say it louder. Say it louder. No louder. Louder. Come on, louder. No. Okay, so obviously he's not gonna say it. We're gonna get him up, and we're gonna put him back in his cage. Okay, we'll see him fly from his cage. Watch the cage, and good boy. So he's learned. Now we pick him up again. He does not like to be picked up off of his cage. It's a recurring problem. But he's getting better. That's not his only perch either. There's a perch there, and we took a wood perch because he actually has another cage in my room that he sleeps in at night. It's just kind of a more bonding thing. It's really quiet in there, so he sleeps. Say goodbye, Monty. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment